This video is going to cover how to enroll in instructor-led trainings on Learn's CyberTrain system. So going down, as everyone knows, here's the home page, and you will have these drop downs to see outstanding items for requirements, and then also upcoming items. These upcoming items are our instructor-led trainings that we will review how to enroll in once we go through this video. So let's get started. First things first, I don't like these on my homepage, so I'm going to check all and I'm going to hit mark as read. As you see, the upcoming items do not disappear. This is because this is going to be a constant reminder until these trainings happen. So now let's go and actually look at the trainings. So we're all going to go to my record, requirements, and this is where you will see all those requirements. Now these two are pre-recorded videos that most staff goes through when they are first hired. And so we will leave those alone for this topic, and we will skip down to the 3 instructor-led trainings. That is both of our EMM trainings and our facilitation trainings for introverts. So first things first, as you all know, this is where you will find instructions to this training or a description of the training. So in this case, it states, please enroll in this training on CyberTrain and on the flyer registration link. See attachment. What that sentence means is that you not only need to enroll on CyberTrain, as I will show you in just a sec, but you also need to enroll on the flyer registration. Where it says see attachments, you're going to move your mouse over, and this is where you will find that registration link. The registration link will then pop up the flyer that it was talking about. On this flyer, you'll see both of these trainings, and then you will see a link. So registration is required. Click here to register for this training now. You'll instantly click there, and it will redirect you to this page. Now, by registering on this page, it allows our vendor, our partner, Every Monday Matters, to then email you the Zoom link. This training will be done on Zoom, and that is how they are keeping this Zoom link safe and knowing who is registering. So please ensure that you are registering here as well as CyberTrain. Now going back, you will then see date needed. The date needed is simply when you need to register by. Some people may have different dates listed on there. Just depends on the training and the date. You will then see the opt-out request, in which employees should use if they have prior commitments or other obligations that have already been set in stone and communicated with their direct supervisor. And then you'll see on the right-hand side the search button, and for this one, mine automatically says pending approval. For instructor-led trainings, you must receive approval first, in which I will show you in this second training here. So in order to get that pending approval, you will click there, and that is where you will see different classes. They're the same class. So if they have the same title, then they are the same class. The only differences between the two is this system only allows 99 participants to enroll into a class at a time. With our organization being a little larger than that, we have to create multiple classes to get everyone enrolled. So an employee will then choose one of these classes to register for. So I will click here. And once you click register, then it will let you know that it has been submitted successfully. That is where you can go back to my record, requirements, and then you will see the 2 pending requests. You will have that same option when you click down here, and you will see the facilitation training. Since you see the name is all the same, you know it's the same training, you only need to register in one of the above classes. So I'm going to choose the one that has the least amount in it, or the most amount in it, and then it'll show me request was submitted. So I will go back to requirements, and then you will see I have 3 pending approvals. Once your manager receives an email, they will then have to open up CyberTrain and manually approve you to be enrolled into this class. Once they approve you, Then you will see enrolled listed on this right-hand side of your Cybertrain. And that is how you enroll into instructor-led courses on Cybertrain.